everyone, welcome to my kitchen made with love. Wow, it's Avial. If you enjoy our videos, like, comment, share and subscribe.
Thank you, Advait. Hello everyone. Let's start our today's recipe. Yes, ingredients first. Let's take 200 grams each carrot, brinjal, drumstick, ash gourd, cowpea, pumpkin, raw banana, potato, beans, yam, and green peas. You can chop the vegetables as shown. For gravy, let's take 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 10 green chilies, 1 medium-sized coconut, grated. In addition, we need coconut oil, curry leaves, and curd. Let's add cumin seeds, green chilies, and coconut into mixer. Put the chilies and cumin seeds at the bottom. This helps in grinding them well soon. Grind these finely. Yes, gravy is ready. Let's keep this aside for now. Preheat the pan. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add yam. Since yam will take more time for cooking, let's pre-cook. After tossing for a minute, add water. Adding salt and water increases its boiling temperature, which helps in cooking the vegetable faster. So, let's add pinch of salt for cooking yam faster. Also, this helps yam absorb some salt. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame with closed lid. Yam is in half-boiled condition now. Add the remaining vegetables. Vegetables, which will take more time for cooking, I'm putting at the below. So, the sequence is after yam, raw banana, carrot, drumstick, potato, cowpea, beans, ash gourd, pumpkin, and brinjal. After putting all the vegetables, add hot water. In total, I'm adding 3 cups of water. After cooking for few minutes, let's add green peas and salt as required. Mix gently. Cook for around 15 to 18 minutes in total with closed lid in medium flame. Keep stirring gently in between. Now, check with spoon whether the vegetables are cooked or not. Yes, it's cooked. Now, let's add gravy. Mix gently. After adding gravy, cook with closed lid in low flame for 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix gently. Adding raw coconut oil at this stage gives good flavor. Now, let's heat 4 tablespoons of coconut oil for around 2 minutes in medium flame. And add curry leaves on it. Add this hot oil on the main dish and keep the lid closed. Once the Aviyal comes to lukewarm or serving temperature, mix curd as required and serve. Please note, mix curd only before 15 minutes of serving. Otherwise, it will turn sour. Aviyal is ready now. Advait, do you want to try?
Yes, I really want to try. Hello everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video today, Uma's Kitchen video, and please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up.